In Sydney, I get so excited if I see one of these on the beach. Like, they're pretty rare for me to find. Here in Jervis Bay, they're everywhere. It just blends right in with everything else. But this is a shark egg casing. And here's more. I've never seen this many egg casings in my life. Look, they're like everywhere. There's another one. There's another one. Here's more.